Hello everyone, welcome back to PLC Automation. This is Joffer, and in this video I will show you how to design and program a Star Delta motor starter using Siemens TIA Portal. We will cover the Star Delta control logic, timer configuration, and build the complete PLC program step by step into your portal. A Star Delta starting is a common method used for three-phase induction motors. The motor starts in a star connection, which reduces the starting time. After a preset time, it automatically switches to delta connection for a normal operation. So let's have a look on my HMI screen. I'm going to stop. So I'm going to start the motor, start. After 10 seconds, activate delta and the motor turns in a normal operation. So let's get started with the program. For this program, we are going to create a new project. We will give it a name. I will call it Star Delta Connection. The project is added. Now I'm going to add a CPU. I will choose for 1200. Now I'm going to add an HMI. I will choose KTP 900 basic. To make a connection between my HMI and the PLC, I go to Device and Networks. I click on Connection. I drag on my PLC and drop on HMI. And we have created now a connection between HMI and PLC. So now I'm going to OB1. First of all, I'm going to create a global data block. To create a global data block, we are going to add a new block. We choose data blocks, global data blocks, and choose it Star Delta motor starter 10. We are going to declare some variables. I will start main contactor and also timer output. I will also timer ET. Timer ET is time. All right. And now we are going to create star contactor. It's a Boolean. And now delta contactor. Okay. So for this one, we are also going to create one more. And this is going to be CV count up, and I will show you later why. So we are so far ready with our tags. So now we are going to device configuration. We are going to the property of our CPU. We activate clock memory bits. And now we are going to add a function. We are going to call it fc star delta motor starter, right? The language, we keep it as ladder. First of all, I'm going to create this one, and now I'm going to add a timer. I will choose for this program a tone timer, on delay timer. I will give it a name, timer star delta. Yes. And now I'm going to add this one and also one more network. And this one, just this. Okay. First of all, I'm going to put my start. Start, I will put it here. Main contactor. I will put also here this one, and the start will be also here. We will choose for 10 seconds, and timer ET, it was for here, and timer output was for here. Okay, and now we are going to main contactor, timer output, and star contactor, and now again timer output and delta contactor. So now again we are going to add a counter. We choose counter up, we add it, we give it a name, counter star delta. Okay, we will put this one and also here, and also here we put here 3, and CV count up should be here, and we go to our PLC tags, we click default tags, and we put one of them here and one of them here. This section, this network 4, not necessary, only for animation. Okay, so if you don't want your HMI, you don't need to do this. And also at this point we do not have a physical machine to experiment this installation, and instead of this I'm going to make a simulator to show how does it works. And now we are going to put the delta here, and so far this is our other, right? And now the second part, we are going to our HMI. First of all, we are going to the template. We choose template 1. We Control A, delete, and we go back to our screens. We go to root screen, and we are here. For the motor, animation of the motor, we are going to make a graphic. Text and graphic list. We double click on this one. We go to graphic list. We add a new one. We call it motor. For the motor animation, we choose these icons. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now 0, 1, 2, 3. We go to our root screen. We click on our text and graphic. We see the motors here. We drag and drop on our HMI. We make it just a little bigger. We click on it. We go to property, appearance. We choose the border as a solid. Now it's much better. And we go to general. We connect this graphic to a tag. The tag, we are going to our global data block, and we choose CV count up. And this is also an output, and it should work at this moment. Okay, so once again, we are going to our data block. This is our time. I will call it star time. I will put this one. Delta activated. I will click on this, go to properties, animation, and I will click on appearance. Here I can put an ad. So this one is with delta, and I will choose delta contactor. So when it's 0, nothing happens. When it's 1, change the color to red. All right, okay. So second, we need a start button and stop button. Start, stop, right? We go to property, go to event, we choose for press, we set the start bit, right? Edit bit, set bit, start, we go for press, we reset the start bit, right? Done. And now we are going to our HMI tags, default tags. The speed connection, we bring it up to 100 milliseconds. It's a bit faster. Done. Okay. Now we are going to start the simulator. First of all, we are going to download the hardware and the software. First of all, we are going to start the simulator, otherwise it wouldn't download it. Okay, online. Yes. Already 15 minutes. Load. It takes a lot of time. It's also because of my computer. I'm using an old computer. So okay. Now we are going to download the hardware and the software to make sure everything is inside the simulator. Finish. Okay, we go online. We start our HMI. 17 minutes. Okay, before this one, we are going to do one more thing. We have to call our function into OB1, otherwise it wouldn't work. Once more download. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. It takes a lot of time. Okay, so we go to the function, we go online. Now it should work. Okay, one, two, three. It's turning. Oh, it's, you know what the problem is? Okay, once again, we are going to our, so it's 3, right? We have made a mistake. I have made a mistake here because we have to reset the counter, right? And now we go there, counter output. It's very important. Where is the the counter output? We will choose it. Counter, counter. Okay, count up, and also we will use the same counter here. Down. Once again, we make a download. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh no. Takes a lot of time and the time is running. Come on. Yes, finish. And now it should work. Okay. Save. We start our. Come on. We should not cross 20 minutes, right? Come on, come on. Yoo-hoo. Yeah, okay. You see, it's already in delta. I'm stopping. I will start my motor once again. It counts one. It's turning slowly. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So in 10 seconds, it turns to delta. It activates the delta connection. So uh, this is our today's training video, and I thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked this video and you have learned something from this video, subscribe to the channel in order not to miss the upcoming video, because we are going to make surprising videos, right? Thank you very much and have a great day. Bye bye.